Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Sasha. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I applied this beautiful U-part wig. If you guys are interested in watching me style it and knowing more information, just keep on watching. Come on! So I'm just using any rat tail comb, and then I'm going to part right where the arch of my eyebrows at, and I'm gonna go back pretty far, probably like 5 inches, maybe a little 6 inches maybe, just so that there's enough hair to cover the back. You're creating a U, which is the U part, given the name U part. So you're gonna create a U, and then you're just gonna put that away because that's gonna be your leave out. You can leave less leave out or more leave out. It's really up to you. I personally prefer a little bit more leave out because I like to make sure that everything is covered. So right in front of my ear, I'm going to make a part down. That's going to be my leave out as well for the front, and then I'm going to just braid those down so that they can stay out of the way. I'm going to do that to the other side as well, and then we're going to go ahead and start creating another U right behind the U we created. And you're gonna do a thin like parting, just because this is just gonna be the anchor braid. This is just gonna be something for the actual combs to hang on to without damaging your hair, and that way it's really secure. So go ahead and part that out, and then you're gonna put the rest of that hair away, and we're gonna braid those parts towards each other, towards the middle of my head. And they're gonna meet each other, and that's basically where the combs are gonna be like tucked into, and that again is your anchor braid. So this is a part where we're going to create another sort of anchor braid right behind that leave out so that the combs can fit securely, tuck securely into the braid, and it just has something to hold itself onto.
Together, things are about to get ugly.
Now, depending on how flat you're trying to get this or how much hair you have, I'm gonna be curling this, so it's gonna have a lot of volume anyways. You can braid all the hair down, or you can just put it away in a ponytail like I just did. This is a U-part wig that I created with some hair that I'm not going to share with you guys yet, but it will be shared with you guys soon. But it's beautiful, and I colored it a nice dark jet black just because my hair is naturally really dark. So we're going to go ahead and put that on. I placed those combs and everything on there, and then these are the heating tools I'm going to be using. You don't necessarily need all these heating tools, but girl,
Things are about to get ugly.
Now you're going to try to do your best to go ahead and blend in that leave out with that hair, just so they intertwine with each other. You're going to do exactly the same thing on the other side, and then to blend in the back, I'm just going to take a thin piece of the back and then flatten it out into the hair and just lay it down on top of that back track, just so you can't see it at all. And then I'm going to go ahead and curl my hair with the extensions. So yeah, just continue to do that so that it blends in very nice and no one can tell it's not your hair, girl.
Keep it together. Things are about to get ugly.
So you're literally going to do the same thing you did to the back, to the sides. Go ahead and blend those pieces in so that you can't tell that it's not your hair, girl. Now, in order to get a more silkier finish, I should have gone in gotten a smaller section, and then also I should have applied a little bit more heat. Like, I did not have my flat iron on hot enough to get that silky press, and I should have, because it left my hair a little bit frizzier than the extensions, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. It still gave me volume, but the humidity was not helping at all. It's not gonna leave that bone straight finish, if you know what I mean, but it's still very shiny and it got really straight and it blended very nicely with this hair. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Again, my hair, like as I mentioned in the video earlier, my hair gets really frizzy on the first flat iron day. So because it's like my first day straight, it has more poofiness and volume and reacts more to the humidity and all of that stuff
more than if it was like on the 3rd or 4th day. It'd be more tamed. There's a lot more natural oils in my hair, so it blends a lot better with this hair. But I honestly think it looks really good. I could go in with a flat iron a lot more, especially in the back because it's already frizzing up, but I don't want to put a lot more heat. I'm really not going anywhere anyway. I just wanted to share with you guys how I applied this U-part wig that I made. And yeah, I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. If you guys have any questions, just make sure you guys leave them in the comment box below. I love you guys, and if you guys are interested in this look, I will leave it right up here for you guys. Let me get out of here. I love you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with somebody who might find it useful, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.